lentil coconut stew or lentil ground coconut stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the coconut recipes and one of the most tastiest of the lentil recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the stew recipes. Today we are going to make lentil coconut stew. The ingredients are 100 grams of lentil, 15 to 20 shallots, 1.5 spoons of fennel seeds, 1.5 spoons of coriander seeds, 25 grams of garlic, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 3 to 4 red chillies, 25 grams of ginger, and 125 grams of grated coconut. Into the grinder, put in the fennel seeds and the coriander seeds. And the grated coconut and half of the garlic and 3 to 4 shallots and 1 red chilli, cloves and grind well. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the mace, salt, salt the mace, now put in the shallots, with the mace. Now put in the ginger, salt, Put in the garlic. Put in the tomato pieces. Mix the tomato pieces with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Put in onion pieces and mix. Of the split pigeon piece to the mix. Thoroughly mix. Now pour in the ground coconut, fennel, coriander mixture. Mix thoroughly. We have poured it in after adding around 50 ml of water. Mix the mixture thoroughly. Pour in another 150 ml of water. Mix and let the mixture cook for 10 to 12 minutes if in the pressure cooker, or 25 minutes if in the open pan. Now the lentil ground coconut stew is ready, or lentil coconut stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final lentil ground coconut stew or lentil coconut stew, one of the tastiest of the lentil recipes and one of the most unique of the coconut recipes and one of the most nutritious of the stew recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.